Simply Potatoes Steakhouse seasoned diced potatoes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Let's get this morning started with Simply Potatoes Steakhouse seasoned diced potatoes. Basically, we're just gonna throw these daddies in a skillet. We're gonna put a little Mexican blend cheese on there. I'm gonna tell you if these are any good. These were on sale at Winn-Dixie. I actually used what you may have seen in a previous video about my Winn-Dixie grocery store offering delivery, and I was turned off by it because to get the free delivery for orders over $35, I think it was, or $30, you had to become a yearly member of their service, which was $99, but there was a 14-day trial for that. So I did the trial, ordered groceries last night. I'll be doing a review on that, and this was in the groceries that I got. So I paid about $2 for this, and it's 20 ounces. I mean, that's kind of a lot. So hopefully these come out good. Steakhouse seasoned diced potatoes. On the front, you've got your bell peppers and you've got onions. So let's go ahead and get the stove popping. There we go. And I usually spray a little nonstick on the pans, but I'm not gonna fool with that because this is flavored and I don't have any regular oil, but this is nonstick. So we should be fine. And we're gonna tear this open, tears open easily. We're gonna take a look at the contents. Doesn't look like a whole lot of seasoning, but actually, wow. Oh my goodness, it smells freaking amazing. Holy cow. Looks good in here. I always inspect these to make sure there's no mold. One time, many years ago, I had some potatoes like this. I think they were shredded. What do you call that? Like hash browns or whatever. But anyway, and I didn't realize how moldy they were. That's something scary. But anyway, these look great. The pan is, I mean, it's warm. Let's just get this going. I possibly should have used a bigger pan. Maybe. Let me get some type of utensil here to swirl this about. I already smell, oh man, it already smells good. Actually, let me get that bag back out of the trash can so we can reference what we're cooking here again. Well, today I'm going to eat a good breakfast and do some house cleaning on Labor Day, maybe publish some of these silly reviews. How's your Labor Day going? Did you hear my new Labor Day song? Raymond Sist came out with a Labor Day anthem, and I think it's pretty good.
I was looking up consent ages in my local town.
But we're gonna keep this moving around because I am rushing it by cooking it on a high heat. But you also want to be careful when you're fooling with potatoes like this. If you get all crazy, you start smushing them and smashing them. You really don't want to do that. So you need to be careful. You just kind of slide them around and you're not going crazy with it. But we're gonna let that brown just a little bit, then we're gonna do a gentle flip. And again, what we're reviewing here are Simply Potatoes, Steakhouse seasoned diced potatoes, and they're made from fresh potatoes. That's what they say. Eggs would have been good with this. I should have bought some eggs. But we can't start thinking about things we don't have. We need to enjoy the things that we do have. And I'm going to need a plate or a bowl or something to present this, so let's just grab one of these. It's good enough. Oh, I got a nice chip on there. It's lovely. So this may not be so exciting to just stand here and watch. So we're gonna let it cook a little bit and I'll check back in on the camera sporadically. All right, here we go. We're making some progress here for sure. I was unaware the steam fogged up the lens. Smelling good. Let's see how brown we got some of this. Just a little, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Daddy likey. All right, so we're just gonna kind of gently, like I mentioned, they're getting a little firmer now. Are they getting firmer? Are they getting softer? I don't know. They're holding up better though. Whoop, well, there we go. Some of it's on the floor. You'd be surprised how much a potato will cook down. There is a significant amount of water in there. So we're gonna let that cook. Get a little bit more brown, a little more cooked. We'll check back in just a little bit. Whoopsie daisy. All right, these have really dried out here. I got on the phone with my dad. He doesn't live around me anymore, so when we get to talking, sometimes we talk and talk and talk. And I didn't do these justice because I didn't do them justice. They're dried out, but I'm still gonna enjoy them. We're gonna pick one off and eat it. And it's still pretty good. Good flavor, but it'd be better if I didn't dry them out. Really good flavor. That's 2 thumbs up. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. What do you like to eat for breakfast? You like hash browns? Like eggs? Like cold stuff? Protein shake? Nothing? Let me know in the comments. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thanks for watching. And if it's not too much trouble, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to Silly Reviews.